Alrighty, today's Tuesday tidbit is what is a USDA mortgage? So, USDA, US Department of Agriculture. It is a type of government loan, and if you recall, there's three different types of mortgages. There's conventional mortgages backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. There's portfolio loans, which is the bank or credit union's own personal money. They're the ones that are issuing the piece of paper behind the loan. And then there's government loans. Government loans are FHA, Federal Housing Administration, VA, Veterans Affairs, or USDA. So USDA is a type of mortgage that is done in rural areas, and that is one of the most limiting components of the program. Unlike most other conventional programs, government programs, you can get financing basically anywhere. That is not the case with USDA. It is limited by geographic area to only those designated as rural areas. And on USDA's website, there's actually a map of exactly what areas they will do. In Colorado, there's really not a whole lot of options between like Colorado Springs and like Fort Collins. Basically, on that I-25 corridor, it's almost all blacked out, and you can't get USDA financing. Once you get on the perimeter of that, all of a sudden it becomes an option. It is a low down payment, usually zero down payment option. It is limited to rural areas, and it's also limited to low to middle income households. So that's the high of a high view of a USDA loan. It's a great loan for the right areas, but again, it's rather limiting with regards to income, with regards to geographic region. That limits the viability for most people with the USDA financing. The one big advantage of that program, though, is you could pursue properties that are slanted more towards rural. Conventional financing, they will do hobby farms, but only hobby farms. It has to be primarily residential in nature. You can have a little bit of acreage, some outbuildings, or a hobby farm, but it's really limited to that. USDA is a lot less restrictive on that piece. Hope that helps. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.